Hi guys! So me and Jenny have decided to pull a prank on somebody, and we decided to prank my sister. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get these, which are the middles of toilet paper. We're gonna wet them and then we're gonna crumble them up and then put them around the house because it actually looks like cat poop. So yeah. Step 1. Wet the toilet paper thingy. Step 2. Rip it up. Step 3. Wet it again. Poop is in position. Jenny's gonna ask for help on a math problem. And this is gonna, I'm just gonna see it. So, Crystal! Dude, is she freaking deaf or? Crystal! Oh my god. Apparently we're freaking deaf. Crystal! I think I hear.
What is it to your property?
What's that?
Alyssa, because my cat's not even out here, dude. My cat is in the room with me, and I was just out here.
My cat's out here, I think.